I'm Amanda with Jan's Medical Supply, and I would like to introduce the SoClean 2 and how you go about using it for cleaning. So we have the iBreeze by Resident, and you open your SoClean, get your tubing out. This goes on the very back of where your tubing goes on your machine, like so. And then you will attach your tubing to that. This is the adapter for your SoClean. This plugs into the back of the SoClean, and then that goes into the power. You push the button to open it, and you drop your tubing and your mask right in there, and you close it. And then you set the machine with the instructions so that it cleans. You can have it set at a certain time so it kicks on every day at a specific time and cleans your stuff, and then it gets done, does its little set time, and it is ready to go. You will need to go ahead and clean your tubing. I recommend at least weekly with soap and water. You will need to soak your tubing in soapy water, mild detergent, and you can use the SoClean solution, and it is 1 capful per gallon of water. And most Jans also carry the filter replacements for the SoClean. We also carry CPAP wipes, so if you're traveling, you can wipe your mask off. We do carry the larger bottles of pre-wash, and we also carry CPAP tube brushes, so you can scrub the inside of your tubing with the brush.